Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. Today we are going to make Ganpati ji using modeling chocolate. I have uploaded the recipe of modeling chocolate before on my channel, but I will give the link in the description box below. The recipe of modeling chocolate. You can see the modeling chocolate is ready for to be sculpted. I will take out the amount of the portion we need and just mush it in my hand. So because of the heat of my hand, of my palms, this modeling chocolate is getting molded, getting softer, and after it gets soft I can give whatever shape I want to. So first of all, whenever I am going to make anything, I will just make a ball of this chocolate so that I can give any shape whatever I want and there will be no cracks on this modeling chocolate. You can see because of the heat of my hand this cocoa butter has came out and it is looking very shinier than the modeling chocolate. So this is the ball I will take. Choose any stand or at least keep butter paper beneath so that you can transfer the Ganpati ji from one place to another stand. So this plate is my stand and on this plate we will make the asan of Ganpati ji. So this asan is just a rectangle. I will give the shape from my hands only. If you want you can use any flat scale or something like that, spatula, and after doing that you can just design it. If you want you can use butter knife, back of the spoon or any fork to give design to asan or on the Ganpati ji. Next I have taken a ball and made the stomach of Ganpati ji, and then we will prepare the legs and feet of Ganpati ji. So you can see the feet, and for making the pitambar of Ganpati ji we will make small spirals and then just put one by one on the thigh of Ganpati ji. So you can see after finishing it will give a beautiful look like it is carved. This is the making of that pitambar. One by one I have added there, and now we will add some part of modeling chocolate for chest part. So give it a shape like a chest and then add however amount of modeling chocolate you need and give a shape. For making it, smoothening it up, you need to use only your fingers, nothing else. So it is very easy. If you feel that chocolate is very sticky and it is very hot in the room, then just keep it for 10 minutes like that only, don't touch it, and it will be again ready to mold. Now I have added one toothpick for body support, and we will add the face of Ganpati ji. For hands they were getting very loose, so what I have given the support over there so that the hands will not get dropped off, and after some time they get stiffen up and we can take out the support. So till that time I am doing another stuffs. So you can see that for making any small thing like ears or hands, I have given shape to them and kept it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Like you can see, the right hand of Ganpatiji was kept aside, and then later on, when it became stiff, I applied it on the body. So I used toothpick to attach it to the body, and then I have given it the shape I want, or and in the position I want. I have adjusted it, and now giving the small detailing on the Ganpatiji, and you can see it is getting ready. Our Ganpatiji is looking nearby ready, and add jewelry, janvar, and kada and all. I have added cap, used toothpick for teeth, and the prasad, the plate and mushak was made by my daughter. And here our Ganpatiji is ready. You can see he is looking very pretty. I have not added color. You can add color. You can use candy melts for making modeling chocolate, and you make colorful Ganpati. And here I have added hair also. So in this photo you can see all the details. For making puja, we have not added so much decoration, just backdrop and the tablecloth. It looked very pretty, and I have covered it with my cake top, cake cover, so anything will not sit on it. And many people ask me how I have done the Visarjan of Ganpatiji, as it was full of chocolate. So you can see I have taken it on the stand. I had this with the, it came with instant pot, so we kept the Ganpatiji on the stand and did the Visarjan. As the milk was little less, I have added more warm milk, and this is how the chocolate milk is there, and we have done the Visarjan of Ganpatiji. Friends, now you can drink this milk and give it as a prasad to the guests. We tried making Kharvas from this milk. I have a video of Kharvas on my channel. I will give its link in the description box below. So we tried making Kharvas of it, and it was very yummy. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.